Do we really choose what we do? Or are we just riding the wave of causes we can't control? This is the question that has haunted philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. Do we have free will? Or are we controlled by determinism? Let's start with determinism. According to this view, everything that happens, every thought, every action, is the inevitable result of what came before it. Like dominoes falling, each event is caused by a previous one. If the universe follows fixed laws like physics and chemistry, then in theory, if you knew the exact state of the universe at any moment, you could predict everything that comes next. This was the dream of 18th century scientist Pierre Laplace. He imagined a super-intelligent being, Laplace's demon, who, knowing every detail about the universe right now, could calculate the entire future. So, where does that leave free will? Some argue that we do have free will, because even if the universe follows laws, we still make choices. You chose to click on this video. You could stop watching right now, or keep going. Free will doesn't have to mean freedom from causality. Some thinkers believe it means being the source of your actions. Even if you are influenced by your past, your decisions still come from you. The philosopher Immanuel Kant believed that, while we live in a world of causality, our moral decisions must come from a place of freedom. Otherwise, how could we be held responsible for anything? Modern neuroscience brings a twist. In a famous experiment, Benjamin Libet found that the brain shows signs of deciding before we become conscious of the choice. It's as if the brain decides and we just become aware of it later. But does that mean we don't have free will? Not necessarily. Some scientists suggest we still have a veto power. We can stop an action even if the brain has started planning it. Maybe free will isn't about starting decisions, but editing them. In quantum physics, it adds randomness, but randomness isn't freedom either. If your decisions are random, that's not free will, it's chance. So, are we free? Maybe it's not black or white. Some thinkers propose compatibilism, the idea that free will and determinism can coexist. You can be influenced by causes and still make choices that reflect who you are. Free will might not mean absolute freedom, but it could mean the ability to reflect, reason, and act in line with your values. That's the kind of freedom that makes us human. Are we just complex machines or something more? Maybe true freedom isn't in escaping the chain of causes, but in choosing how to live within it.